Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Sprout, where English learning grows every day. Today is Thursday, October 30th, 2025. Today, we're going to learn the difference between your and your. These two words sound the same, but they don't mean the same thing. Let's learn the difference. First, let's start from you. You to your. The word you is a pronoun. It refers to the person or people you are talking to. When we want to show that something belongs to you, we use the possessive form your. In other words, you is the person we are talking to. Your is something that belongs to that person. Examples: you are a good student. Your notebook is on the desk. So your shows possession. It tells us that something belongs to you. Here we have a pronoun possession chart for you. We have a subject pronoun, which would be you, the possessive adjective, which would be your, the possessive pronoun, which is yours, and I have a little example for you. First, here is your book. Your book shows possession. Next, this one is yours. Yours shows possession. Remember, possessive adjectives like your comes before a noun. Like this is your pencil. Possessive pronouns, yours, can stand alone. Like yours is to the right. Next, your. Your is a contraction. It combines you and are. It's used to describe or talk about the person you're speaking to. For example, you're my best friend. You're learning English with English Sprout. You're very kind. Here's a quick tip. If you can replace your, which is you are, with you are, and the sentence still makes sense, it's correct. So, what's the difference? Well, again, your is a possessive adjective. It shows that something belongs to the person you are talking to. A tip to always remember: your always comes before a noun, like your pen, your car, your idea. It's something that belongs to you. How, on the other hand, your is a contraction. It's two words. It combines you and are. It's used to describe or talk about the person you are speaking to, or you can say you're speaking to. Tip: if you can replace your with you are and the sentence still makes sense, again, it's correct. Here's a good trick, and this is the same one. Try saying the sentence with you are. If it sounds right, then use your. If it does not sound right, use your as in your possession. An example would be: your book is on the table. You are book on the table? No, that doesn't sound right. It would be the possessive. Your book is on the table. That would be the correct one to use. Let's do a quick review, and you can pause the video if you need more time. And I'm going to start at the top left. Where is blank phone? Is it your or your? Next, blank, my teacher. Is it your or your? Then we have blank doing a great job. Is it your or your? And last but not least, we have blank, my best friend. Is it your or your? And the answers are as follows. Where is your phone? Something that belongs to you. The possessive adjective. Your. Next, you're my teacher. You are my teacher. The next one, you're doing a great job. That will be you are doing a great job. And last but not least, you're my best friend. That would be you are my best friend. You did so good today. Great job, everyone. Now you know the difference between your and your. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your English growing friends. And again, thank you for stopping by. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.